The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Bitcoin Daily Show every single day, 9 a.m. Central European Time on the dollar, because we gotta know what's happening with Bitcoin, guys. We gotta know what's happening with Bitcoin because Bitcoin affects our altcoins, and if it affects the altcoins, we need to know about that. How's everybody doing in the chat? We got a new member today, Rian Weaves. How you doing, man? Enjoy the green name, enjoy the emojis. Welcome to the TFNs Club. How's everybody else doing? Kasper Gavejka is in the chat. He's also a new Patreon member. Hi man, how you doing? Batch Guitar, Dutch Ring Racing, of course. How's everybody doing? Everybody doing nice? So I'm guessing we hit the bottom, guys. Richard Hedge is in the chat as well. Hi man, how you doing? We hit the bottom, 63.5 down here. Very nice bottom. People, are still saying, we gotta know for sure. Good morning. So, people are still saying, 58k. I don't think 58k is happening. Can we go down to 50k? Yeah, it can happen. It can happen. 58k can happen, but the probability for that is really, really small right now. I'm not saying that it's impossible, for right now, this just goes towards downside, but I'm saying it's less probable than it was down here. Down here we were looking to do some kind of moves towards downside. We didn't do that. We even just up here. Down here we were trying to move downside. We didn't do that. Up here you can not see it behind the picture, but up here we were also trying to go to the downside, and we didn't do that. The lowest we came was 62.2, and even that was a big move towards downside. So you can see this actually support holding very nicely up here. So Bitcoin definitely right now hitting some kind of bottom down there, and right now bouncing big moves. Right, this was right actually. This candle over here right before the daily close. Let's see on this on the 5-minute chart up here how this actually looked. Where was the daily close? 55, right up here. This was the daily close. So we closed up here at the daily, actually up here at the daily close. So we pumped right before the daily close all the way up to 65,000 and closed right there. So the weekly close closed also right up here. You can see just before the close we pumped like crazy. And again, there is a lesson to be learned from this, guys. Volatility goes down throughout the day. From the candle open to the candle close, from the start there is big volatility in the market. There is a lot of volume, people are trading, but the longer it goes on during the day, the volatility goes down, and price kind of settles towards certain levels. But just before the candle closes, doesn't matter if that's one minute candle or 1 hour candle or a 1 day candle, just before the candle close, there will always be high volatility to push the price above or below certain resistances. And you saw what happened over here just before the very important candle close, because it was the daily candle closes, it was the weekly candle closes, it was all kind of candle closes. So it was very good. Good morning, Martin, as well. And Edward is also major support confirmation. Brilliant. Yeah, super nice. Yesterday's Bitcoin Daily, just when we closed, stopped doing the Bitcoin Daily, I closed the stream and this stumped on the downside. But we saw the wedge, we said, target should be down here at 63. There was, chance that we might, also bounce. There was also a chance that we might bounce also off of this 50 moving average towards upside here. That would be even more bullish. But we bounced off of the 50 moving average, went up to the moving averages and crashed down. But this support here at 63.5 did hold and right back up again. And right now, we are zigzagging up here. So we're gonna see how this actually, develops during the day. But definitely it looks very nicely. BTC highest weekly close ever. Yeah, let's go and look at the weekly closes right now. How did we close? Highest weekly close ever. Well, technically, we've been, creating higher weekly closes for a while now. This was the first one, this was the second. So every single week is the highest weekly close ever. Previous week was also highest weekly close ever, and then up here. So these three are highest weekly closes ever. So right now we are definitely setting some new standards on Bitcoin right now. Pushing it towards the upside. The mighty apefish, the guy with the brilliant name. Hey, do you remember me? I always remember the mighty apefish. What did you say? You probably said, so what about Cardano? not much about Cardano right now. 0.93. I mean, if this continues towards upside, eventually it will be Cardano's turn as well. But right now it's not it. Inverse head and shoulders playing out. Yeah, the moon was saying about inverse head and shoulders on a 1 hourly time frame. We are looking at some kind of edge, but this inverse head and shoulders is playing out now. And it is a really weird head and shoulders, and only the moon can find these kind of stuffs. But right now is what do we say, 68k is target, 68k is the target out of this inverse head and shoulders. So whether this inverse head and shoulders is going to play out. So right now actually we're going a little bit down, so maybe some bloody towards the upside. We're gonna see that. But definitely nice move, definitely nice moves. And weekly close did close towards the upside. Also, what you're gonna notice, I mean, it's very slightly noticed, but what you're gonna notice right over here, the line is actually increasing the speed. So the 10 moving average right now is increasing in speed a little bit. Can we zoom in more? I don't think zooming it will actually help. It's very slightly, like this, it looks like almost flat, but right up here right now this 10 moving average is kind of increasing in speed. So it went like kind of like sideways, and right now up here it's like kind of increasing in speed. So there is a slight increase in speed right over here, but you cannot see it, but there is like something like this going on right over here, slight increase in speed on 10 moving average, which is actually quite good for price. It means that we are pumping towards the upside. That's why he drives a Rolls Royce. Do most exchanges give a high A pair for Polygon 610? I have absolutely no clue. Staking Polygon. For all crazy alt season to start as BTC price settles and all the money flowing to alts. For a crazy alt season to start, alt season is already started, but you are waiting for the crazy part. Now when the crazy part is gonna kick in, that's the question. Let's look at the dominant chart up here on the weekly time frame. Technically, let's add a Bitcoin. New price scale, and this is gonna be everything as well. So this is actually alt season starting, guys. This is actually alt season starting. So alt season right now it's starting. We called alt season a long time ago, guys. We called alt season a long time ago, and it was early phases. How can I move this down? So what I'm gonna show you correlate what we are looking for alt season right now, and okay, and let me remove these moving averages. So what you're gonna see over here is this part over here. So the dominance is going down, but the price is right now starting to rise towards the upside. Over here it went a little bit to the downside, but up here it went upwards, but the dominance still going down. So if the dominance still continues going down while the price goes up, this is alt season. So right now this is the first indication that alt season might already been starting right now over here. So what you want to do, you want to see the dominance go down while the price of Bitcoin goes towards the upside. Right, you want to see this being invertly correlated. While Bitcoin goes to the upside, you want to see dominance going down. This is alt season. So right now alt season is in full swing, and I'm getting out of gold and silver. Why are you in gold and silver in the first place, man? That's good. Captain, what's up? ITLA team, how's everybody doing? Captain, Captain. Parabolic alt season coming soon. Yeah, parabolic alt season coming soon. So this is the first steps of the alt season, but we called alt season start for a long time ago. Let's go up here. I just think this was interesting. Let's go to the Twitter, and there was a tweet I did long time ago. Fractal playing out when is your portfolio down today? Triple doji, sell signal, something like that. Not this one over here. I'm in 30 October. Bitcoin liquidation. There we go. I love the smell of altcoin season in the morning. October 23rd, but even before that, you know, I already, you know, we already was calling the alt season is actually starting, because we are seeing, you know, the steps of alt season, you know, hitting already. You know, alt season starts very slow. You know, people are calling alt season when everything is going parabolic, but that's not alt season. That's, you know, ending of the alt season. The alt season started, you know, this is October 26th. You know, it started a long time ago. October 26th, where is that? October 26 is up here. Like, this is October 26 up here when we called, but you know, we noticed, like, we noticed up here, like before that this is definitely alt season, you know, hitting. Like, it was really hard not to say call it alt season, because, and like I show you right now, right over here, this is when alt season kicked in, right? And you saw the tweet on 26th, it was just up here, but we know, you know, it took a little while before we called it, but you know, we're already saying like, this is it, guys, this is alt season hitting. So I think this stop up here, or this stop up here, this is when the alt season hitting right now. And right now this is gonna continue to go towards the last move towards the upside, while the, you know, the alts are gonna just explode, you know, full force towards the upside. But you know, people are calling alt season when, you know, alt season is parabolic, but alt season started a long time ago. Captain, oh captain, my captain, welcome to the TF fans club. How you doing? Oh, finally, I'm glad that we got a captain on the team now. Captain, oh captain, hi man, how you doing? Nice, join the party, join the party. Very glad that you joined. We got a captain on the team now. Come on man, let's go. Ryan Weaver, hi Sasha, how you doing? Yay, yeah, the green name, that's the important part, the green name. So the alt season, guys, I think the alt season has already started. I want my coin, damn it. You want your coin? There is no coins. Techno Vikings, good morning everyone. By the way guys, Techno Vikings got nice music, go check them out. I hope I don't get demonetized for this, you know. Thank you, till loud. Oh. So the question is not whether this is alt season, or the question is how high can Bitcoin go before we actually blow off. Permission to come on board, Captain. You have to check my coin pick. I have to check your coin pick. I'm not quite sure what does that mean. Okay, you you want your coin pick? Oh, I get it. I get it. I get the coin pick now. Yeah, both you and Reese are getting the coin pick today. One day Bitcoin will go to 58k in bear market. What's this song called? I mean, it literally says in the video. I don't know what the song is called, but it's nice. I cannot see it. But the song, I don't know. Yeah. So do check him out, guys. Techno Vikings. He's in the chat. The guys, I don't know which guys it is. You know, the guy in the chat. Maybe it's this guy or this guy or this guy or this girl or this guy. You know, it's one of these guys. You know, he's in the chat. So do check him out. We like all kinds of people in here. Yesterday, CryptoNoop made some blow off top soon. Yeah, I mean, it will come soon. We already know it's gonna be, you know, very soon. Hell, if I didn't love you so damn much, I would not be here. That's good. That's good. I like that. Okay, we're gonna start with Reese. You know, if you got any kind of coin you want me to check, write down in the chat. You know, all the new TX fan club members get, you know, the green name, the emojis, and the coin, like a present gift. You know, so you know, if you want me to check any kind of coin, you know, just write in the chat. But Captain wants the coin to check. Check Altura for me. Altura. Let's see Altura. Altura. Oh man. Versus BNB. Oh man, how are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do Altura when it's not on? Why are you picking coins that are so early that it's on nowhere? I mean, that might, you know, pay off, but you know. Okay, let's coin cap Altura. What can we do with this? I mean, we gotta find some kind of chart we can draw on, right? Altura, and we cannot do it versus BNB because they Altura, Alu. Let's see down here how the chart looks. All chart. It went parabolic up here. We're right now going steadily towards downside. Let's see here what kind of markets are we looking at. Dodo, BSC, BSwap. Yeah, okay, we can do probably some copy address up here, and then we can go to the DEX Guru and check it on DEX, right? DEX Guru, and see up here. Alu, BSC. Maybe we're gonna get some kind of chart up here, you know, that we can, you know, draw nicely on, and we'll see how this actually plays out. Coin market cap. Yeah. So there is the chart, but there is, you know, this is 4-hourly chart. Yeah, there is no data for this, man. There is no data for this 1-hourly chart. Like, yeah, there is data. There is all kind of data. Yeah, we got the data. It's okay. We can draw on the chart. I pick them so I can get 20x on them. Yeah, that's good. Like, you know, that's the only way to do it. That's the only way to do it. You know, to pick them early, but you know, you gotta pick them before the pump. You gotta pick them before the pump. And yeah, that's smart. That's smart. When alt season starting? Alt season started a long time ago, man. You are late. Right now we are gonna go very soon into some kind of parabolic move, and that's it. Okay, let's draw on the chart. What are we seeing here? We're seeing some kind of, you know, first thing first, we gotta add some moving averages. 10, 20, 50, 100, 200 moving average. We need moving averages because without moving averages, you don't see actually what's happening on the chart. So you gotta have the 10 moving average, and that's the white one. Okay, and then you have to have 20 moving average, and that's the you know, red one. And then you have to have the 50 moving average, and that's always the yellow one. And then you have to have the 100 moving average, and that's always the blue one. And then you have to have the 200 moving average, and that's always the some kind of pink, you know, purple one, something like that. So this is on the 1-hourly time frame right now, consolidating up here. Let's see on the 4-hourly time frame how this actually looks. Someone is saying bull run will end until mid 2022, but I think it's kind of manipulation for retailers to hold the bag. Yeah, it's probably something like that. There is no way this is gonna go over to the to mid 2022. And if it does, you know, I would love it to be wrong, but I don't see it right now. I mean, it can happen. Look at this candle on the downside. What happened here, man? I don't know. So this is the 4-hourly candle right now, getting into consolidation up here. What we want to know is this did this have a blow off top? Mooning average. Mooning average. What kind of interesting name is that? Why is everything falling on Bitcoin right now? Let's see here. 1-hourly time frame. Is it falling on? I just a little bit moved to the downside. You know, for the day, not much. So this thing up here, Allura. You can see here, you know, start up here somewhere, it dropped down, and right now it's just back where it actually started up here. This is a daily chart, and right over here it is picking up. When did you buy this? When did you buy this? Because you know, if you bought in August, something like that, you know, you were early. But right now, it is kind of going heavily scam week. Yeah, I don't know. I you know, somebody had a fat fingers, you know, low volume on the exchange, you know, and when you buy a lot, you know, you get these kind of things. You know, it's perfectly normal. Let's draw some kind of lines up here on this chart up here. So there is definitely something going up here. No, it should be something like this up here. You know, I hate doing this on the chart up here, and we need some kind of, yeah, this is easier to see, and then you know we want our colors to be some kind of yellow color, because maybe whitish, maybe it doesn't matter, it's okay. I cannot see it. I mean, it should be something like, nah, you don't get it, guys, you don't get it. But you know, colors are important. I don't know, we're gonna use you know, pink for the 2 weeks ago. Wink is popping. Yeah, Wink is right now, I think might be doing well. We're gonna go back to Wink, but let's see up here. So you know, it's definitely had a big climb up here, just like, you know, it did some nice move towards the upside up here. Right now, you know, it just like went very parabolic up here towards the upside. This was 10x. What I told you guys about 10x? When thing goes up 10x, you know, that's you know, I think we talked about yesterday about 10x and stuff like that, right? This is 5x, and this first move is 5x, but this second move is 10x. So 900% is 10x, 400% is 5x. What do we say about, you know how people always you know, use Fibonacci to find some kind of targets, you know, and I don't like to use Fibonacci extension or Fibonacci in general to find targets because it's not based on psychology. But you know, price targets like 5x, 10x, 20x, those levels are psychological levels, and you know, it's important to note. So this just did recently, this on the daily, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, like 2 weeks ago this did you know, 10x. So whether this is gonna continue, it might, I don't really know. Here's what I'm gonna tell you right now. So we're gonna really focus on this part over here, and when is this continuation gonna come? Because really, you know, just talking about next target stuff like that is not that really important. The important thing is it did 5x here, it did 10x here, that's 50x it did from the bottom down here. There will be some profit taking happening. Whether that profit taking is gonna come here or 1000x, I don't actually know. So the only thing you want to know is, are we going to continue from this point on towards the upside? So let's go to the 4-hourly time frame. What you're going to see here is a little nicer chart, and the chart is gone. It is going parabolic. Are fibs not psychological levels for it? No, fibs are, you know, fibs are what people, you know, the retail, no, what brokers tell, you know, traders to use, so they would be losing money. You know, everybody is telling, you know, traders, hey traders, use Fibonacci's, hey traders, use EMAs, hey traders, use this indicator, hey traders, use that indicator, you know, to mess up with their head, you know, so then they learn all the wrong things, the traders, you know, so traders would, you know, gamble and lose money over and over again, because nobody wants, you know, traders to win. Only I want you guys to win. And this actually, you know, just, you know, why did it go away? There we go. But let's go to the 4-hourly time frame, and it's gone. Let's go to 1-hourly time frame. And just take forever. So Fibonacci, no, Fibonacci are not psychological levels. It's you know, people are saying, yeah, the more people use it, the more people see it. But I don't believe in that. I believe in psychological levels being the full moon is on the 19th, so it's gonna, you know, kick in big time on the 19th. So we are already seeing, you know, signs of the move. A lot of traders put psychological signals 1618 fib level. Yeah, they put a lot of significance on it, but it's not any kind of important level. People like round numbers like 10, 20, 50. People like you know, significant levels of like 2x, 5x, 10x levels and stuff like that. People like you know, people psychology like, I think we gotta do this on 1 hour. People like, you know, psychology on nice shapes, you know, nice triangles and stuff like that. Okay, we're gonna do this on 1 hourly time frame, because 4 hourly doesn't wanna kick in. I don't know why. I want 4 hourly. We try one more time, see if the 4 hourly goes. So only thing you want to know is actually, you know, why does the 4 hourly mess up? Okay, let's go to the 1 hourly then. The only thing you want to know is, you know, whether this is gonna have any kind of continuation, when the continuation is gonna come, and how this is actually gonna look like. So what we're gonna do right now is on the chart is we're gonna draw some lines, nice lines, and you're gonna, not this one, and you're gonna see that. So let's try. Let's start by drawing the lines up here. This up here might be some kind of should be up here to some kind of top up here, give or take. So this is the downtrend line. I know it breaks up the top up here, but the top up here is not actually that important. This is broken to the downside like this, give or take. Up here that should be, that's broken. Then next level up here is technically broken. So you can see what's happening over here is that these downtrends, right, you get one downtrend and then you break the downtrend, and that's fine, but you create this next wick to upside, and now you have a downtrend, but it's in different speed. So this is fast speed, this is slower speed, and this is very slow speed. So 3 times you have right now you have you know, broken the downtrend once, 2, and this is the 3rd time you have this same downtrend right now that goes from the top down here somewhere, right? This is the third downtrend. So you want to break these downtrends, of course, towards the upside, but these wicks up here, they create a line that needs to be broken to continue towards the upside. So, sorry about that. So that this line should go somewhere up here, like this looks like it's actually already broken, even by looking at this up here. It looks like it's already broken. What we have done, I really should like to, you know, let's go to the daily time frame, just establish some levels up here. I'm using too much time on this. Fibs are a toy. CoinSkid, Fibs and EMAs are the most and he's most of the time right. Yeah, but I think he's not, I don't think he's right because Fibonacci is EMAs. I think he's right because of the, you know, psychology he takes out of that. So horizontal line, let's see the supports. This is a resistance right now. That's that 0.29. You gotta get above 0.29 up here, and then you got, of course, all the way up top. Resistance up here. Let's remove this line up here. Support down here at 26. Okay, now let's go back to the 1 hourly. Collab with CoinSkid someday. You guys are doing such a wonderful job. We already collab on the streams, man, but we are not doing live streams together. So this is the resistance to be broken right now. We some kind of downtrend. We're definitely some kind of downtrend, and let's see the moving. We're gonna see the moving averages. But you know, if we fall below, if we fall back below down here, below what's that? I hate doing this on this one up here. Call out. Is this the one? No, it's not the call out. Price, where's the price label? Price label. If you fall below, what's that, 0.26 or something like that, then it might continue towards downside. There is some kind of shape, there is some kind of support line down here. Give or take, something like this. Let's remove this one up here. Probably something's gonna happen here. It's kind of weird shape. It's kind of weird shape. I don't like this shape at all. Maybe it already broke it out of this triangle up here. All right, now getting support here. So I wouldn't like it to fall below 0.64 or something like that. I wouldn't like it to fall below 0.64. I think it's still in a downtrend. I think it's still in a downtrend. And just by looking at the daily time frame, because you have to understand, first it went 5x, then it went 10x, that's 50x, so it's already went 50x. Maybe it's gonna go even higher. I'm not saying that. You can see on this chart it just kind of went parabolic up here. This is a parabolic move. So whether this parabolic move is done or not, I don't actually know. So let's pop the moving averages up here, and you can see here we got the first support here at the 20 moving average. Now if it falls below 20 moving average, it might just continue bleeding down to some kind of 50 moving average, and then again support there. So you know, best case scenario, you get support on the 20 moving average, bounce up here on the 10 moving average, and continue towards the upside. That's like the best case scenario right now. But it did go parabolic over here, so you know, anything that goes parabolic, you know, you have to assume it's gonna take longer time than it has to take. There is probably some kind of trend line up here, you know, that we didn't draw up here on the daily. Let's see here, extended line. Yeah, probably something like that. It seems that, you know, you could not see this on the you cannot see this on the 1 hourly time frame, but you can see it on the daily. And right now that, you know, getting above this line, it should be a crucial level to break. Now you don't want to, if this is going to continue towards the upside, if you're going to get another 10x on this, you know, it's going to go 100, you know, 500x or something like that, because, you know, coins often do that. You don't want to break in short term, you don't want to break below 20 moving average. But if it does break below 20 moving average, then we are looking for this 50 moving average for some kind of support, because you got no support until you get down to 0.13 down here or something like that. You can see this you know, topping at this pivot point up here. You got no support until down here at 50 moving average. So if this just doesn't continue towards the upside right now above this blue line up here, towards the upside, and it breaks the 20 moving average, the red line on the downside, I'm looking at the 50 moving average to give it support and then bounce off of that and then go to continue towards the upside, if this is going to continue towards the upside, of course. But you know, 50x is 50x. I hope, you know, I hope it does that. Good time to buy in. I'm not quite sure if it's good time to buy in though. You know, because it is very risky. Like you know, after any kind of 10x move, it's always risky to buy. Just look at Shiba Inu. You never know when it's gonna break out, and we are following Shiba Inu, and eventually Shiba Inu will go towards the upside. But it is risky because we don't know actually when it will go up, right? So we, you know, it might be good buy here, sure. But it's only gonna be interesting once it breaks this blue line. So you know, when it breaks the blue line, it starts getting interesting. But you know, down here it's just so much risk, because you can just go down here, and then it can go, you know, sideways forever, and before you know it, you know, the bull run is finished and it just continues going down, right? So you never know how long these consolidations are gonna take. So that's the problem actually over here. We don't know how long the consolidation is gonna take, but that's why we always look, you know, for the breakout, and then after the breakout, we go into the coins. We don't go into coins when they are consolidating, because consolidation can take just way too long time. I get it. May drop the previous support. My coin pick is Chiliz, please. Oh, that's a good coin, man. Rise, that's a good coin, because Chiliz right now is super hot, man. I think I like Chiliz. You know, I had it here on my chart here. It's 1% up for the day, but you know, I think it's very bullish. Chiliz looks nice. Chiliz looks very nice. I'm gonna start with the daily time frame up here, man. Chiliz looks nice. So Chiliz had this big parabolic move towards the upside, right? How much did it do in previous right now? Just up here today, it did something like 6,000%, right? And right now it had this triangle up here. It had this triangle up here. It broke out to the triangle, consolidate here, and right now it's gonna break. Is already breaking this level up here, and right now it's gonna go to the moon, guys. It's gonna go to the moon. So Chiliz right now looks is another 70 to 1,000. Wow, you like putting those 70 bucks on stuff, man. Captain, you gotta give out you know, calls. I'm buying this for 70 bucks, I'm buying that for 7. But I gotta ask you, this is on Paycane swap, so you're not paying like 100 bucks of you know, Ethereum fees, so that's good. That's good. Yeah, you do. Yeah, so you know, I like that, you know, when people take like 100 bucks put into something and they get like 20x, like that, they're happy, man. They're happy, like that those are nice gains. And if you can do this on constant basis, you know, there is some big money to be made over there. There's some big money to make over there. You know, I just bought something on Ethereum network over on a DEX because somebody told me to buy something, and I did that, and it wasn't big money, but the fees, man, the fees were $130. And this is the last time I'm gonna buy anything on Ethereum network until they fix the fees, man. That's insane. I mean, it's maybe not gonna be the last time, but it's definitely, I'm definitely not buying any kind of shitcoins on Ethereum network anymore. That's insane. $130 to pay for the fees. And they say, and you know, and everybody in crypto is like, you know, banks are scam, you cannot send money, you gotta pay like 1% of $130, man. Come on. What was it? It was just somebody in the Patreon chat said, hey man, buy this thing, you know, throw $100 on it, it's gonna do 1000x, and you know, but don't ask any questions, don't do any research, just buy it and hodl it for a long time. And I said, okay, so I bought it, but you know, to buy it I had to pay $130 fees, and I was like, god damn it. But I still bought it, and you know, it's gonna stay there forever, you know. And you know, the thing that he told me to buy, I'm pretty sure it's gonna go to zero, but you know, whatever. You know, sometimes you have to do these things. Sometimes you have to do things. But he said like it's gonna go 1000x, so I was like, okay, let's see if it's gonna go 1000x. Chiliz looks magnificent, very good, man. I love Chiliz right now. I think Chiliz is about to do a crazy move because it's like this. It happens. First you got a breakout, then you got a consolidation, then you know starts you know getting up above this you know these levels up here, and it starts slowly going towards the upside, and it goes parabolic. So this is the first steps, man. Very good. Chiliz, very nice pick, and I like Chiliz a lot, man. I'm not quite sure, you know, how it's gonna perform if Bitcoin dumps down, but right now it's, you know, very nicely. You can see here we had some levels here at 52 up here when we broke that, got a retest on that. Right now going upwards, and as soon as we break 56 up here towards the upside, it's gonna be looking even more better, So it might actually even go even fast towards the upside. So Chile is definitely a nice pick. We got some kind of 65 support resistance up here, so I think that's the next target around 65. Definitely nice pick, man. The late ape. Moon phases, please. I miss him. Okay, well, when you are sharing $5, I'll do that. I'll do the things. Sometimes I gotta do the things. Yeah, sometimes you gotta do the things, you know. But I'm like 99.9% sure that the coin will go 99.9% down. So it was a stupid move, but you know, sometimes okay. I'm not doing it again, you know. Let's see up here. Anchor doing 7% after yesterday's move towards upside. Anchor is also one of these very good coins right now. Anchor, Chiliz, I mean, insane coins right now. I think Anchor and Chiliz are right now doing insane. They are insane bullish. Also another bullish coin, guys. I'm super bullish on Qcoin. I don't think you understand, guys. Qcoin right now, everybody is on Qcoin. Right now, everybody is super bullish. Qcoin is the next Binance, guys. Qcoin is the next Binance. And $5 from Captain BT. Thank you, you awesome. Captain, when $5 are coming from you, I appreciate it a lot more because I know your investments are $70, you know. So I do appreciate it. Thanks. And I love the heart. Crow still going up. Yeah, Crow is still going up, but you know, Qcoin, guys. Right now it's going towards upside. Qcoin is also good. Qcoin, Chiliz, Anchor. You thought you saw the you thought you knew about, you know, alt season. Just wait for alt season. Qcoin is the next Binance. Yeah, I think Qcoin might be the next Binance. So I'm gonna start shilling Qcoin because I don't think enough people are shilling Qcoin. There's so many altcoins on Qcoin. Qcoin is the next Cryptopia. I don't know if you know what Cryptopia, but it's the next Cryptopia. It's such a good stuff. Let's see over here. I missed a lot of chat, so I did this bunch trying to buy through ETH and export through ERC20. Yeah, ERC20 buys and sells are insane. Like Qcoin is the next Binance. Like I love Qcoins. There are all of these, you know, all of these gems, you know, KDI, these new coins are, you know, getting listed on Qcoin first, and it's just like it's super nice. It's super nice. So So I think I'm gonna make an account on Qcoin and get a some kind of link for Qcoin, and I'm gonna share Qcoin, because if you're gonna make any money, you cannot do it on Coinbase. On Coinbase it's only Bitcoins. I got a friend of mine, and she said, she understood, you cannot make big money, or you cannot get rich, wife changing money or husband changing money on Bitcoin and Ethereum anymore. You can get 4x, 5x, maybe even 10x, but that's not gonna be life changing money, right? To get 100x, you gotta go down, you gotta go down in new coins, shit coins, Ponzi coins, meme coins. You gotta go to the bottom, to the dust, you gotta pick those up, and those coins are gonna do 1000x. Those coins are gonna give you, life changing money, wife changing money, husband changing money, kids changing money. No, not actually kids changing money. No amount of money can do that. Qcoin, where's money is man. Yeah, Qcoin is definitely the big thing. Cryptopia got hacked, so yeah, but Cryptopia, that's long time ago. That's why Cryptopia is no longer around. If Cryptopia hadn't gotten hacked, it would still be around, and I think it would be bigger than maybe Qcoin. But right now, Qcoin is the where the shit coins are. Before it was Binance. Everyone was going to Binance because the new coins, everything got listed on Binance. But now the Binance is so big, it doesn't list all these shit coins. So right now Qcoin is taking the torch next, and right now Qcoin is shitting out all of these shit coins to all over the place. So should I swap DOT with Chiliz? Do whichever you want, man. But I think Chiliz right now, are stupidly good. There are other coins that are stupidly good right now. Guys, we are in alt season. Everything is gonna go parabolic soon towards the upside. The question is what's gonna go first. That's the question. Like, everything is gonna go parabolic. RM, RK, RNDR, Super, S-Fun, TLA, Gala, Flame, all on Qcoin. Yeah, all are on Qcoin, and we are following S-Fun, TLM, and Gala and Super as well. Not actually RMRK, RNDR or stuff like that. And these Qcoin coins, they will also go parabolic. So that's where money is being made. Look at KDA. KDA right now went parabolic totally. KDA is I'm guessing KDA is a little bit down today. Let's see. I haven't checked out KDA Cadena in a while. KDA is actually up 0.69%, but it is consolidating here at the top. It does look like some kind of like this consolidation. Will it actually go towards the upside? I'm not quite sure, but we're gonna see if this line up here holds. If this line holds and it gets above the yellow line up here, it's gonna go parabolic towards the upside. All great metaverse gameplays, yeah. If you're into that kind of stuff, yeah, they are. Crow is going crazy. Where is Crow? I don't have Crow on the chart. Let's check out Crow on Coinbase. It just got listed on Coinbase. Let's check OK's chart. Oh yeah, it's going crazy, man. Yeah, it broke out. Look at this. The Crow had this big ass resistance it broke out of. So you can see this big ass resistance up here, right? You can see how it broke out of that, then consolidated up here, then broke out of the top up here, right now going towards upside. So yeah, Crow is definitely on the move right now. Crow is going parabolic towards the upside right now. So you will see right now that a lot of these coins are just right now gonna go totally parabolic. There'll be blow off tops. Everybody's gonna be screaming this, that. Everybody will be throwing money at anything that does like 50% moves towards the upside. And it's not where you want to throw money, because once it does like 50% move, you're gonna there is probability for more upside, because it's a parabolic move. But oftentimes you will see that people are buying tops of these parabolic moves and losing actually money during the alt season. So if you want to avoid losing money during alt season, if you want to know what tops out, what not, what has more room to grow and stuff like that, check out the Patreon link down below, because we are looking actually at what's pumping, what's not pumping and stuff like that. Yeah, but Crow is definitely looking good. Like, it broke the biggest resistance, up here. Then it consolidating up here, and you can see this move up here when it went up above here. Creating the next move towards the upside. So right now it's just gonna continue going towards the upside. There is no pullback on this up here. Hello, I'm late. Have you covered ADA yet? We have not covered Cardano yet. I think I'm gonna cover Cardano in a YouTube video today. I think I need to make YouTube videos and Patreon chat. I need to change up something a little bit. We'll see that. But check out YouTube a little bit later today, maybe a couple of hours, and there will be I'll do Cardano. I'll do, what more will I do? I'll do XRP on YouTube. XRP also doing nice. I'll do VeChain. I'll do Chainlink, and I'll probably do some other coins. Maybe Chiliz. I think I'll do Chiliz right now. I'll do Chiliz, Anchor. I'm not quite sure about Anchor and Qcoin. You know, there are so many coins I want to make videos of, you know, so I don't know how much time I have. Not much to say about ARA, really. Yeah, there's not much to say, but there's a lot of people who want to know what's happening. So there are gonna come a lot of coins on there is gonna come a lot of coins on YouTube today, I think. Can you do Reef? I don't think the time is for the Reef just right now. Reef, let's see Reef up here. Let's see weekly. Yeah, weekly is up here somewhere. Let's see daily up here. It is concerned. I don't think it's out yet. I don't think it's out. Like this up here might have been up here, and then something down there like this. No, this actually got broken. This cannot be it. Maybe it can be it, but that's all the way up at 0.49. You know, are we gonna wait for 0.49 for the breakout? I'm not quite sure. Let's see down here. Is there something I'm missing up here? I don't know. The Reef is a really hard coin because of this mess up here, you know. There went something like this up here. Down here, you know, you gotta use this one, you know. However you look at it, it maybe broke out, you know, it's gonna go up. But there's so much resistance up here at the, you know, right here above between 39 and 50. So I'm not quite sure how long it's gonna take time to get above that resistance. We're gonna see that. What's up, Salam? How you doing, man? What's up, TLA fam? Why is Matic not moving? Yeah, Matic is a tricky one because it did move a lot, and right now it's having some kind of, you know, pullback motion to the downside. I think it's gonna move. I think it just went up too much, too fast up here. It had 2 weeks of the pullback, but Matic is at the bottom right now, around the 168, something like that down here. So it's just a matter of time before it starts, you know, picking up again. Let's see up here. It tried to get above the moving average, just went back down. It's still sitting at this 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. I think just a matter of time before it does big moves towards the upside and just starts picking up. Because like there's no reason like it should go down anymore. Like we are in the middle of the bull market. Right now, you know, the biggest moves are coming on Bitcoin. Right now, the biggest moves are coming on altcoins. There is no reason why this should go towards the upside. Right now, it's sitting at the bottom. But you know, the question is when. Are we gonna have a, you know, 1 day, 5 days of sideways movement before we start moving towards the upside? Hard to say, hard to say. But you know, eventually, you know, a big move should come. There is some kind of triangle up here. Let's see the triangle. I think I see the triangle already. Do you see the triangle, guys? Let's see the triangle on Matic right now and see if this is gonna play out anytime soon. So it should be something like this up here, give or take. Let's see the 4-hourly up here. Let's move it a little bit up here, this line, so we can see this better. Yeah, this looks nicer. Something like this. I think it's something like this. Yeah, so these blue lines, I don't know if you can see the blue lines. This is the triangle. So right now it's in this side this triangle up here, and whenever as soon as it breaks the triangle to the upside, it's gonna go, guys. It's gonna go. So I don't believe it's gonna, I don't think there is any chance it's gonna break on the downside. Now it can do that, you know, not financial advice, so forth. It can break on the downside, but I think it's more probable to break to the upside and just go, you know, pump stupidly hard. But it's going inside this triangle up here, and you know, it's only a matter of time before it actually breaks to the upside and, you know, continues with a big pump towards the upside. So it looks nice. VET is on fire, I agree. Yeah, there's a lot of Qcoin always freezes when BTC is gonna dump too low. That's the one negative I have about Qcoin, aggravating as crap. Yeah, I mean, I don't know about, you know, exchange. I haven't used the exchange and stuff like that. I'm gonna make a count on it today, and then we're gonna see how that works out. But definitely, I can understand that these smaller exchanges can have some kind of issues if they get a lot of, you know, traction. So, you know, Met has too much competition and traffic. It's crazy. I don't know. Speed the streamer. Hey, speed the streamer. With Matic, I turned $300 into 300k. Yeah, that's nice. That's good. But don't fall in love with something, guys. Do not. The thing that people has, like my wife fell in love with Ethereum because, you know, once she made nice gains on Ethereum. So now she's always looking at Ethereum. Is Ethereum going up? Is Ethereum going down? Oh, I want to buy it. I wish I bought Ethereum in 1005. So you know, when you make bucks on something, you're gonna fall in that coin and you're gonna always go back to that coin. Do not fall in love with anything, guys. You have to have like, you know, the coin has to be, you know, your what are you gonna call it, like, you know, something you use to relieve yourself, and then, you know, put it on the side, and then when the thing, you know, suddenly becomes good again, you know, take it back a little bit, and then, you know, throw it away. You know, you cannot keep it. You know, you cannot keep the coins. Don't fall in love with coins. Use it as long as it's going up, and then if it's not going up, find some other coin. You know, that's gonna be nice. I saw half my Matic for 7.5, the rest rolled out to be worth 23 now, but hey, at least I took some profits. Profits are profits, that's good, man. A coin is only a trend friend. Yeah, a coin is only a trend friend. Well, your wife fell in love with... You don't want her to swap you for another coin. That's different, that's different. Other weak community and there helped me out a lot, to be fair. Doesn't matter if it's community or not. Don't fall in love with coins, guys. Do not fall in love with coins, man. Because look what happened with the people that fell in love with the XRP in 2017, you know. And they just keep falling in love like that. They're still bleeding. They're still not above 3. Maybe one day they're gonna come above 3. But, you know, they're losing so much during that time. Who is Ron? Ron is the whale. Ron is the biggest donator to the channel. He is the guy that made, you know, bought half of my wife's iPhone. So, you know, I did sell one coin I did love, and when I looked at it 1 year later, it went up total 1,000. So I never sell again, my precious. Fall in love with money, not coins. Yeah, fall in love with money, not coins. You know, use coins. Don't fall in love with coins. Is the fees on Qcoin are high a bit as well? When try to withdraw. I don't know about Qcoin fees. I haven't checked them out. I haven't been on the exchange actually. Qcoin fees. I haven't been on exchange. 0.1%. Wow. Q has extremely low trading fees starting at just 0. Extremely low, my ass. And you receive 20. Let's see here. Binance fee. Binance Qcoin Coinbase fees. Oh, withdrawal fees, minimum 10. Okay, let's see here. Coinbase is a Qcoin crypto chain comparison. So you got a Coinbase Qcoin. Wow, why it's so bad? Well, platform, anonymous trading, secure, supports a variety of cryptocurrency, low trading volume. Yeah, that's we know that stats. 1,030,000 active users, only 1 million. This is probably a long time ago. Bitcoin is higher value for money scored in Qcoin, match Binance is low trading fee percentage at 0.10, while the place goes Qcoin fee up 0.05. Maybe it has low fees. Let's see Binance fees. Binance fees right now 0.05 to 0.01. Also Coinbase 0 to 0.5. Wow, 0.5. But I think on Binance is around, isn't Binance so like something like 0.075 for if you use BNB? Maker taker, it's a balance. So they're doing the same thing with like in BNB. If you got Qcoin tokens, you know, you pay less fees. So depending on how much Qcoin you have, you pay less fees, and then past 30-day trading volume also depends. But it starts at 0.1 and then goes lower. Like you can get, what's that? 30%. You can get 30% off fees if you just have some Qcoin on the exchange. You can get 30% off fee, and then if you have a large trading volume, you can get very low. But you know, 0.07, that's about what Binance is doing. It's decent trading fees, I think. This is based on affiliate payouts the site gets. By the way, how is it? Maybe you know, the reason I'm shilling it because, you know, I wanna you know, become affiliate because there is so much coins right now over here. Let's go and see affiliate links. Qcoin. Doesn't matter. We're gonna check it another time. My main captain has a green name. Welcome, finally. There you go. Salem has noticed the green name on the captain. Captain on my captain. We got a captain. This is based on affiliate payouts the site gets. We'll see. Do you think Matic price will go up soon? Yeah, I think, like we just showed, like there is a triangle on the chart up here. I don't know if you see it. There is a blue lines triangle, and once this triangle is broken, I think it's gonna go. Bro, check out Woo. It's a free of fees when you stake 1,100 Woos. No thanks. I haven't heard about project, you know, and going that low down. I'm not actually, you know, that is my woman. Lol, my bad. my woman. Salem is learning the tricks, man. Salem is learning the tricks. Salem, are you abandoning Selena? Are you abandoning Selena, man? Are you abandoning Selena? This has been a 1 hour stream right now. I had 20 left there. I went back after 2 months and it's 46 now. Yeah, sometimes it happens. Sometimes, you know, you buy something and then you sell most of it and you got some coins left and you think that's too little, you know, to take out, and then you come a year later and that's like been like that's worth like now 200 bucks and you're like, oh, look at that, 200 bucks. What's going on with Uniswap? Not much, actually. I don't think Uniswap is doing anything. Right now, guys, right now it's you know, parabolic season kicking in. Where's Ron? Not actually here. I don't know where Ron is. You know, sometimes he stops by. It's not right here or right now. Thank you for your time. Thank you for Miles. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for stopping by. I like that. I like that. So what do we say today? Yeah, Bitcoin. Bitcoin right now is in green. Actually, it did pump up. Like it look at the pump. Look at the pump. Look at the pump, guys. Look at the pump. The pump, look at it. See how it started bleeding down, right back up again. Look at the pump. Look at the pump. Our Lady, Mir. Check SHIB. SHIB is minus 1.2%, not doing anything, still below the trend line. You know, it's not very interesting. VChain is interesting, 8%. Any link updates is gonna come on YouTube today. Woo! Okay, guys, I'm gonna end it there. We've been doing a live stream for over 1 hour right now. Bitcoins right now, guys. We called the bottom on the Bitcoin down here at 63,004. I don't think we are getting below 63. For people calling 58 or something like that, they're not getting 58. All of the people that are calling 58, 55, 60k, liquidations dumps and stuff like that, all of those people are gonna FOMO in once we get to some kind of 68 level up here. They still have some kind of hope this is gonna go down again. It's not gonna go down, at least not the way I look at it. We are not going down again. Everybody down here that are waiting, you know, to buy down here is gonna FOMO back in when we get to 68k, because once we get these levels here, it's more or less given that we are gonna continue towards the upside, and as soon as we are there, they are gonna start, you know, FOMOing in, and they are gonna pump your bags towards the upside. So right now Bitcoin looks extremely well. I don't have any kind of fear that it's gonna drop down for whatever reason. Altcoin season is in full swing. We called altcoin season almost on the same day when it was actually going towards the upside, but you know, it's been going on for a while and people haven't been noticing, but we are noticing that altcoin season is being happening right now. Coins are starting going parabolic. You'll see more and more coins going parabolic. Euphoria will start to kick in. Everybody will start, you know, in the mainstream will start talking about it. You will see Shiba Inu going up again. You will see Dogecoin going up like crazy. You will see Elon Musk talking about Dogecoin. You will see maybe even Shiba Inu getting listed on the Robinhood. You will see all these other coins that previously have been going parabolic again. Chili's, Anchor, you know, Winx and stuff like that. All of these coins that have been, you know, Ethereum class, all these coins will start going parabolic again. It's gonna be good times, guys. It's all good. It's all good. We all gonna make it if we buy, you know, shit coins like Captain is doing. You know, I don't think we're gonna make it with Ethereum and Bitcoin because those are gonna go like maybe 1-2x or something like that, you know. But you know, but shitcoins, man, that's where the money is. Have a nice day, guys. Have a nice day. Yeah, I think it's gonna be a nice day. You know, I don't see any reason why we should go down. 8 ball, no 8 ball. TLI is going parabolic too. Uniswap. Okay, man. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna go make some videos. Gonna eat something or something like that. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Okay, bye bye.